Hi children, today I am going to explain exercise 3.7. First question. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. How will you find out this problem? See here. First question, maximum word is there. Maximum means highest common factor. Okay, maximum, greatest. You have to find the HCF of that number. Okay, see here. First question, find the maximum value of weight. Maximum means you have to find out HCF. Okay. HCF of these cases, these 2 cases. Okay. Wait. See here. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight. Maximum means you have to find out HCF. Exercise 3.7. First answer 75 kg and 69 kg is there. Yes. HCF 75. First 3s are 3, 2s are 2, 3 5s are okay. 5 5s are 5 1s are okay. Next 69 3 2s are 3 3s are 23 is a prime number, so directly you have to take 23 1s are 23. Okay, after you have to write prime factors. Okay, 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, 69 equal to 3 into 23. Common, highest common, HCF. Okay. Highest common factor you have to find. 3 only common factor. Okay, HCF equal to 3 kg. Understand? Okay. They are asking which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. 3 kg. Yes, answer is 3 kg is the exact number of weight of fertilizer. Understand? Okay. Next question. See here. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. Okay, what is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Okay, see here, you have to find out that word maximum is there, minimum is there. Which one is there? Minimum, least. That words you have to find out. After you have to find the LCM or HCF. See here, second question having minimum word. Yes, you have to find out LCM. Yes, understand? Minimum is their least common factor. Yes, understand? Minimum. So you have to find out the LCM of that numbers. Okay, these numbers 63, 70 and 77. Second question answer 63, 70 and 77. Yes, understand? Okay, first you have to take directly 7. All number divisible by 7. So you have to take 7. 7 9s are. Yes. 7 10s are. 7 11s are. Understand? Okay. Next 3. Okay. 3 3s are. 10 as it is. 11 as it is. Again you have to take 3. 3 1s are. 10 as it is. 11 as it is. Okay. 5. 1 2s are. 11. 2 you have to take. 1 as it is. 2 1s are. 2. 11 as it is. 11 after. Completely you have to divide. This is LCM. Okay. Please remember, this is LCM because of minimum word is there. Least common factor. Understand this problem? Okay. After you have to find the LCM. Okay. LCM equal to 7 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 11. Okay. See here. 7 into 3 21. 21 into 3 63. 63 into these two numbers 10. 630. 630 into 0. 11 zeros are 0 and 3s are 33 and 6 are 66 and 3 69. 6930 centimeter. I hope you understand this problem. See here once again. Okay. See here. Minimum word is there. You have to find out LCM. Maximum word is there. You have to find out HCF. Okay. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? See here. 6930 centimeter it complete steps covers distance. Okay. Understand? Okay. Next problem. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Okay. Fifth problem. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Okay. First, third question. The length, breadth and height of room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Longest means you have to find out HCF. Okay. 3, 4 and 5 homework. Okay. Very easy problems. 3, 4 and 5 homework. Tomorrow once, if you not understand, ask me these 3 problems. Tomorrow once again I repeat. Okay. Thank you.